Rental car insurance. Well, rental car insurance is protection. You will have to cover your rental car if anything happens to it while you are traveling from one point to another point. And it may be coverage you already have to avoid purchasing additional coverage you might not need. You will have want to check if you are covered for a rental car prior to picking it up, or even better, prior to booking a car. But how do you know if you are covered? And in short, you consider purchasing insurance with a rental agency will have covered some question you may have, so you can drive out a lot of well confidence. Does my existing insurance cover a rental car? When a rental car for a leisure or pleasure, it's important to know that the coverage from your existing policy can extend to and protect a rental vehicle, especially if you are choosing to OPT out of the coverage offered by a rental car agency. You'll have want to ensure that you have some level of coverage. Of course, it will depend on your special policy details. So I have some policy example considering policy with the Grand Touring solution. If you have a car insurance policy with the TD insurance, and if eligible, you can purchase the Grand Tour insurance add-on, which the greatest level of coverage. Your rental car will be covered of the third-party liability damage with when driving within the Canada or US. Check your car insurance policy or home depending on where you will be renting a vehicle ahead of a time, so you can rest assured that you are covered should be anything happen to on your trip. If you are a TD insurance customer, you can review your policy detail through My Insurance or the TD Insurance app anytime. Should you want to add coverage to your policy that will extend to the rental car, you want to manage your policy online, and you can contact us help to adjust your coverage. And remember that you may be required to show proof insurance when declaring the coverage of the rental agency. Have your pink card policy details and policy number handy just in case. Will my credit card cover me? There are tons of credit cards on the market that offer benefits which may include some level of protection for rental car, because each card and company card offer different coverage. It is important to review your cardholder agreement or reach out to your credit card company to ensure you have enough coverage. Keep that Keep it in mind that with most credit card companies, there are certain conditions that must be met for coverage to be active. For example, in order to coverage to apply, some credit card companies may require you charge the cost of the rental vehicle to your credit card. And with your credit card coverage, although most vehicles are covered, there are some expectations. Make sure that you check your credit card policy for further details or reach out to your credit card company for further information. Why should I consider rental car insurance option made to rental car agency? Rental car agency typically offer damage waiver, which can, like the name suggests, will waive the responsibility of the rental if the rental car experiences losses or damage. They can also offer personal accident insurance, which will provide the rental and their passenger with some level of accident benefits. With being said, you may want to consider purchasing covering via car rental agency if you don't have your car insurance or umbrella covered if required. That can extend to a rental car, or you can have the coverage through your credit card. Although not mandatory, having some degree of coverage will help you prevent you from paying out of your pocket should anything happen to you or your mental rate. If I get into the accident and my car need to be repaired or replaced, does my car insurance policy include rental car?